Good morning, dear student. Solid state. Now we are entering into the imperfection in solid, defect in ionic solid. In this video, we are going to discuss about easy way to study Schottky defect and Frenkel defect. There are two stoichiometric defect and two non-stoichiometric defect, finally imbricated defect. And when you study the Schottky defect and Frenkel defect, first you have to tell the condition of ionic compound in which this defect takes place. The condition of ionic compound in which this defect takes place. For example, first point, Schottky defect arises in ionic crystal in which both the cation and anions are almost similar in size. Frenkel defect takes place in ionic compound in which the anionic size is very much higher than that of the cationic size. And the second point, you have to tell there is no stoichiometry affection in Schottky defect and there is no change in stoichiometry in both the defect. There is no change in the stoichiometry, there is no change in the stoichiometry in both the defect. And third point, stoichiometric say means number of positive ion is always equal to number of negative ion in both the cases. But the main difference between the Schottky defect and Frenkel defect is that if more number of cation and anions are missed, it affects the density. The density of the crystal is affected in Schottky defect and there is no density change in the case of Frenkel defect. In Frenkel defect does not affect the density of the crystal. So these 4 points you have to mention along with the diagram. Now we are going to see the Schottky defect first, followed by Frenkel defect. Now this is sodium chloride crystal, the image for an example of Schottky defect. We know Schottky defect arises due to the missing of equal number of cations and anions from the crystal lattice. From sodium chloride crystal, one Na plus ion and one Cl minus ions are missed. When you see the ionic crystal, the size of the cations is smaller when compared with the size of the anion. Na plus ion has smaller in size compared with the Cl minus ion. From the top third row, Cl minus ion is missing. From the bottom third row, Na plus ion is missing. Remember always, in Schottky defect, the total number of cation missed is always equal to total number of anion. If one Na plus ion is missed from its lattice point, an equal number of anion, one Cl minus ion also missed from its lattice point to maintain the stoichiometry. This effect, the Schottky defect, does not change the stoichiometry of the crystal. Stoichiometry means number of plus is always equal to number of minus. In which type of ionic crystal the Schottky defect takes place? The ionic solids in which the cation and anion are of almost of similar size, so Schottky defect. One of the main example is our sodium chloride. We are using this common salt in our day-to-day life, the common salt, table salt, sodium chloride, an example of Schottky defect. If more number of cations and anions are missed, it lowers the density of the crystal. For example, if 5 Na plus ion and 5 Cl minus ions are missed, it affects the density of the sodium chloride crystal. We are going to see one example in which the calculated density of one crystal is affected and compared with the experimental density values. Presence of Schottky defect in the crystal provides a simple way by which atoms or ions can move within the crystal lattice. Presence of Schottky defect in the crystal provides a simple way by which the atoms or ions can move within the crystal lattice. This is about Schottky defect. The theoretical density of vanadium monoxide VO calculated using the edge length A of the unit cell is 6.5 gram centimeter power minus 3. But the actual experimental density is 5.6 gram centimeter power minus 3. So this implies that simply the reverse of the value 6.5, 5.6. Schottky defect is 14%. Schottky defect arises, we know the missing of anion and cation. Therefore, the experimental actual value is 5.6, calculated value is 6.5. There is some 40% defect in Schottky defect in which crystal? Vanadium monoxide crystal. This is the crystal, our AgBr silver bromide, which is an example of fungal defect crystal. Fungal defect arises due to the dislocation of ions from its lattice, crystal lattice. Dislocation of ion from its crystal lattice. See here, the smaller red color sphere indicate Ag plus ion, cation is very smaller in size, and the Br minus are indicated by blue sphere. Among the two ion, the ion which is missing from the lattice point occupies an interstitial position. The interstitial position is the position which is the holes or voids between the negative ion. A very small holes or very small voids that is present in between the negative ion is called the interstitial position. This defect, that means fungal defect, is shown by ionic solid in which cation and anion differ in size. Cation and anion differ in size. What about in the case of Schottky defect? The cation and anions almost similar size in Schottky defect, but here the cation is very much less when compared with the anion. You know, the smaller size of cation can occupy the holes, that means voids between the ion, not bigger ion occupy the interstitial position. Only smaller ions are occupying the interstitial position. Unlike Schottky defect, this defect does not affect the density of the crystal. This defect does not affect the density of the crystal because there is no missing of ions in fungal defect, only dislocation of ions takes place. There is no mixing of ion. In our example, the AgBr silver bromide, in the case of the small Ag plus ion, leaves its normal site. When you see this image from the top, the second row, Ag plus ion is missing, but that Ag plus ion occupy in the same second, between the second and the third row, Ag plus ion is in interstitial position. And from bottom, the second row, one Ag plus ion is missing, that same Sc plus ion, Ag plus ion occupy the interstitial position in the left hand side. And Ag plus ion occupy in the interstitial position. This is an example of the crystal in which fungal defect takes place. Both Schottky defect and fungal defect are example of stoichiometric defect in which the stoichiometry of the crystal is not affected. Total number of cations and total number of anion in the crystal lattice is always same. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share and like. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes, so please yes. Okay, thank you.